Today I'm going to show you how to use a computer program called Mathematica to compute basic calculus. When Mathematica opens, you're automatically in an input cell. If you start typing something like your name, it will recognize that you're not entering a calculation and will offer to convert from an input cell to a text cell. Text cells come in handy when you want to explain a graph or function. Today, all of our calculations will be based off of the function sine of x. First, we'll start a new input cell by clicking below the text cell. Then we'll type plot sine of x and give the graph a bound. Today we'll do x as it goes from -5 to 5 and hit enter. As you can see, the brackets show up in red. Anytime you have an error, something will be highlighted in red. You can click on the little yellow box and will give you a hint as to what you're doing wrong. So here it just says we don't have the closing bound. So we'll delete that and fix it, and now the plot will show up. The next calculation is finding a limit. Type limit sine of x as x goes to 0. Mathematica will spit out an output, which in this case is 0. Another helpful tool is defining a function. To do so, you're going to do f underscore and then type sine of x again. Now, in computing things like derivatives and integrals, you can refer to the function of x instead of sine of x. We will first take the derivative. Just type f prime of x and hit enter, and Mathematica will output cosine of x. If you want the derivative at a specific point we will use when x is equal to 1, type f prime of 1 and hit enter. Notice the answer isn't in decimal form. To do so, you must type capital N with a bracket and the percentage symbol. Now when you hit enter, you'll see the answer in exact form. The last calculation will be to find the integral of sine of x from 0 to 3. To do so, type integrate f of x, and we'll do it as x goes from 0 to 3. And this time, you're also going to add the n, bracket, and percentage symbol. This time it takes the integral, and it also includes the exact value. I hope this showed you a little more on how to use Mathematica.